Today's recipe, we are preparing Fante Fante. When was the last time or the first time that you had this food, and how did you like it? Let me share with you how I prepare my Fante Fante. You can use any fish type that you want, and these are the ingredients that I'm using. Yes, make sure you're using fresh vegetables and you will love it. You're going to love this recipe. So I'm just chopping my onion, then the tomatoes, and then the ginger. I'm going to blend all these, and the fish, you can use any fish type that you want, and let's get into it. So I'm done chopping everything, and let's go bread this. So the onion and then the bell pepper, let's set that one aside and you use it later. So I have some fish powder and then seasoned salt. I've added everything. Let's go blend this. And after blending this, you need to taste if the salt is good for you. If you need to add salt, this is the time that you can add it. When it gets here, you can add any salt because you can stir in this recipe. And then the only stir that you can do is just adjust and let everything cover the proteins. Cover it up and let it do its job. That's Fante Fante rule for you. This soup is known to the Fante people, and now everybody likes it. Just shake it and don't stir, right? That's the rule for Fante Fante. I'm making sure everything gets inside the stew. First time that I tried this recipe, I was looking for more. And let me know in the comment section if you're going to try it, and if I've already tried, how did you like it? Thank you all, and keep on watching. So to get this recipe done, let's melt our palm oil. Then I added some salted fish and then my onion. Adding the salted fish is optional, but I wanted more flavor in this recipe. Yeah, so when everything is done, you're just going to pour this on the stew that is on the fire. How do you want to call it? Is it stew or soup? It's stew, right? So it's almost done. Then I'm adding the onion and then the bell pepper that we set aside. Adding these is optional, but it adds more flavor to the stew. Yes, at this point it tells you your Fante Fante is coming to an end that you can enjoy with whatever that you want to do to enjoy, either rice, banku, etil, just say bibia, ekoyepa, Fante Fante, ekoyepa. So we are done. So what are you going to enjoy this with? So I have some corn flour, and let's make some quick corn flour or swallow to enjoy with this Fante Fante. So you're going to make a porridge like we do with a tuzafi. Yeah, just make porridge, and then when it's done, you add the corn flour. Then we are done to enjoy this with our Fante Fante. Is it akwele or what? Let me know in the comment section what you think we are making here. Thank you all, and keep on watching. I love you all. Yeah, don't forget to like this video. This helped me to build this channel. You see, maybe BD Fante Fante yo ekoye pa.
What did you said home sweet food Adrianepa manage Adrianepa our reso Adrianepa ma bumude home sweet food Adrianepa manage Adrianepa our reso Adrianepa ma bumude home sweet food ya bachelor sharing.
Right now, everything is ready to serve out, and I wish you all can taste this. It tastes good. It tastes good. Thank you all for watching, and I know you're going to try this recipe, share with your loved ones, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new here for more Ghanaian recipes.
Where did he fi said